Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from, and certainly want to keep the chart updated as another solid day here for the bulls. They made some progress, and that's what I want to kind of focus on here. But before we get to that, quote unquote progress, a little house cleaning here from a presentation standpoint. I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So I am going to be deleting both of these green lines. They do pertain, but from more so the bigger picture and really a black and white and easier way to just kind of measure the health of this current move, the health of this current kind of little miniature uptrend, is to keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Meaning, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then as far as I'm concerned, in my opinion, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that. And because that purple line is not only above this green line here, but after today's action has crossed above that green line, I'm just going to get these lines out of there so that we can just have a good kind of clean chart, or as clean as possible. So from the big picture perspective, as far as the health of the current move the past couple of days, as long as the price is up above that purple line, bulls are in full control. Now, shorter term wise, we do have an update, and this update is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $4.10 as resistance. But now that the price is above it, this would be the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, if the price can stay up above 410, that would be a very powerful sign on the bulls' part. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 410, that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just be, like I said, the ideal situation. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. 425 or 422, right up around that area, is still going to be the next key battleground for the price. So we'll see if the bulls can push up through that tomorrow. All in all, though, a good solid day. Not quite as big of a movement upwards as yesterday, but still the price is slowly moving upwards. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build this uptrend or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.